Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp microphone not working on Windows 11 or 10. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So usually this problem can be caused because of lack of permission for WhatsApp to control your microphone. So from here go to your settings, and then from here go to the app permissions, and then from here task privacy and settings. Now from here you can see allow apps to access your tasks. Make sure that this is all set first. Now from here, going to check on the audio microphone. And then from the microphone itself right here, you can see choose which Microsoft Store apps can access your microphone. And then below it, allow desktop apps to access your microphone. You're going to make sure that you are on here because WhatsApp might be either a Microsoft Store or this one. So you're going to check both. And you're going to make sure that WhatsApp is turned on just like this. You're going to make sure that is right here. Also, we're going to make sure that your microphone is working properly in general. So we're going to go to right here on the right side, and you can see the audio icon or the speakers. Right click on it, and then from here click on the sounds. Once you click on sounds, you can see right here in this studio album, go to recording, and you can make sure that your microphone is set to become the default, and this is the one that you want to test. Also, make sure to right click on it, go to properties, go to listen, and then from here you can listen to the device and then click apply, and it will sound back what you can talk on the device, and you can hear how you can sound. And so you're going to make sure that it's working properly, and make sure that once you test it, and then you can just turn it off again and make sure to apply. Finally, go to the levels and make sure to raise the microphone level as much as you need, so that you can also be sure that people can hear you properly, because sometimes this would be on mute fully. One final thing you can do is to go to your settings in your WhatsApp right here, and then from here you're going to go to the video and voice section, and then from the video and voice section you're going to make sure that you are selecting the correct microphone in case you have your headphones on or something else and it's trying to detect it from the wrong device. Just make sure that's on the correct device. And that is really it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.